Hey guys, I look like a mess. I don't even care, like whatever. This is what it looks like when you're moving into a new apartment. So anyway, it is 6 o'clock in the evening now. I started moving in around 11 a.m. 7 hours later, I finally have everything in, like I have everything moved in besides the furniture, which I'm waiting a few days for them to all come. And I've also set some things up, so I'm going to kind of show you what I have going on so far. As you can see, this is my living room. I got my rug down. I'm just loving this so much as I keep like staring at it all day. I just love it so much. My couch is gray. It's gonna look so good together. This is an 8x10 and I think it's pretty fine. My TV stand is just gonna go right there, so there will be a little bit of like open space over here, but I actually wanted more carpet than hardwood floor because I like carpet. So yeah, so that's the situation with that. That's my IKEA stuff, and Anto's dad, who like works in construction, is going to help us assemble that tomorrow. So over here, I have this lamp that I put together. So I got that from Amazon. I'll link it below. I'll try to link like the rug and like other stuff that I got below. But yeah, this is from Amazon. It was $70. It has gold accents. So as you can tell, like my accents are gonna be gold. My color scheme is gonna be gray with my gray couch, and then also white. So here are my bar stools. I'm just jumping all over the place. But anyway, these are my bar stools. I got these from Amazon as well. This was $100 for both of them, so it was a cheap price. But with a cheap price comes some difficulties. So we had difficulty putting these together because the screws wouldn't go in all the way, like down there, and then we couldn't even get that one on. So Anto's dad is like a professional, so he's gonna help us make that tight tomorrow and make that safe to sit on. And then over here I have my little fig fiddle tree plant, my fake plant that I got from IKEA. I showed that in my IKEA vlog. And so this basket, I got this from Target. This was $20 and it's from this brand, Project 62. I plan on putting my blankets and my pillows and stuff in there and like putting it somewhere in my living room. Maybe over there or on the side of the couch. I don't know yet. So anyway, I'll show you my kitchen. I pretty much set up a lot of things so far. So these are TV mounts. I'm gonna mount my TV in the living room up over there, and also my TV in my bedroom. So I got these little canisters from, what's it called? From Home Goods. And I like the color. Again, my color scheme is white. I also have a lot of like natural wood here and there. So I plan on putting like my coffee, my teas in there. And then I have this little utensil holder, and this is also from Home Goods. It goes with my theme of gray and white, and I just love it. It says don't flip out. And then over here I have some towels. These are white and gray, and I really like the look of them. I got those from Home Goods also. So right now I'm liking this little like scheme over here, this like white and gray color scheme, and then I want to get a mat to put right there. And then over here I have my rice cooker, and then over here I have some cookbooks, and these are both Chrissy Teigen's cookbooks. I'm just so obsessed with her. So the first one, and then also the second one I have is actually signed by her. So over here, this is not how it's supposed to look. I have my toaster and my blender here, and then these are not supposed to be here. That's supposed to be storage. This is a tray that I'm gonna put on my coffee table once I assemble it. This is from Macy's. It's so heavy, but it was $25, so it's a really good price. And then again, it goes with my gold accent theme. And then I unpacked all of my pots and baking stuff. So yeah, I mean, I think my kitchen is making really good progress, especially for the first day. Up here I have my wine glasses, and what else do I have? And then I have my like cups. My other cups are in the dishwasher, so that's where they'll go. But I have like my mugs and bottles up there. And then up here, I have all my bowls and my plates. This is my bar cart. I got it from Pier 1 Imports. I'm gonna assemble that tonight. And then I'm gonna assemble my coffee table that's in there. So we're gonna do that tonight. And then in here, the bathroom, got my shower curtain up. I really like it. It's like a waffle texture, if you can see. And then it has these accent buttons. Again, the natural wood. I have accents of the natural wood everywhere, so I really like that. Got my bath mat down. So that's my suitcase. That whole thing is literally filled with all hair products. That's it, like hair and also skincare. So hair, skincare stuff is just in there. So I'm gonna organize it in my cabinets, and then up here. table is done, and now we're on to the bar cart. So I have the skeleton of the bar cart. It was not hard at all to assemble. It was actually pretty easy. But yeah, so I just have to add the like shelves. The top one is gonna be mirrored, and then the bottom two are just plain clear shelves. So I'm just gonna add those, and I will be back in a second. Hey guys, it's me back looking fabulous as ever. No, just kidding. It's 9:30 at night, so 3 hours later, and making progress. So I just finished my bar cart, and I kind of just like cleared up things. So I got rid of like all the cardboard boxes and all the trash. And then I went over to Target because I wanted to get some of these like bins to put my clothes, because I am working on my closet now. And so these are the bins that I got from Target. They are these really large wire bins, and I thought these were really cute. And I got these because I wanted to use the shelving space to put my clothes, but I didn't want to just like kind of fold my clothes and let them sit there. I feel like that's a little bit unorganized. So I wanted to get something to put them in, but I didn't want to get like a basket that I couldn't see through, because I want to know, like I want to walk in my closet and be able to see right away what are in each basket. So that's why I got these. So I plan on putting my leggings in this middle one. I'm going to put my hoodies in the bottom one. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to put in the top one. Maybe I'll put t-shirts, like sleeping t-shirts, or maybe sweaters. Or I might put my sweaters on this shelf right here. I don't know yet, but that's gonna be the plan for now. So my leggings are in this bag, so I already rolled one up, so I'm gonna roll the rest up. All right, guys, I am calling it a night. It is 11 o'clock, and it is 11 o'clock at night. I am so tired. I haven't sat down all day except when I was in my car going to Target, so my back is killing me. I'm pretty happy with how far things got today. I'm just, honestly, like putting my clothes in my closet really wore me out, and that's kind of frustrating me because I'm realizing I don't have enough space or enough hangers, so I need to order more hangers. But anyway, I'm so tired. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna go back to my parents' house, This is my home now. I'm gonna go back to my parents' house because my bed isn't here yet. I have literally no furniture, so I'm gonna go back there and sleep in my old bed, and I'm actually so excited. So I'll catch y'all later. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. It is my second day in the apartment. I had some furniture delivered. As you can see, I have a couch. Let me stand up and show you guys what we have so far. Ta-da! You guys, I am so obsessed with this couch. I am just loving it. I was actually so afraid that this was gonna be way too big, because when I saw this in the store, it was so big, but it fits absolutely perfectly on my rug. So this is like where my rug starts, and then where it ends is where the couch pretty much ends also. I showed you the coffee table I built last night, and then I have my TV here. It's a 55-inch. And Anto, my boyfriend, and his dad are about to come over right now so they can help me build the TV unit, which is there, and then hang the TV on there. And also I have this mirror, it's a circle mirror, and then I'm gonna hang this later. I'm gonna hang it right here above my couch, and I'm gonna actually paint the side of this so that it's gold. Right now it's like a black rubbery material. I got this from Amazon, but I don't like black because that's not part of my color scheme, so I'm going to paint that gold with some paint that I'm gonna go get from Michael's, and then hang that right there. And then I showed you my bar cart yesterday. I just put this little fur throw area rug on there. I got that at like TJ Maxx years ago, so I thought that was a little cute accent. And I just have some flowers, a candle, and some wine glasses. This is an update with my closet. Really good progress. My mom came over and helped me organize this, so that was such a huge help. But I got these, I showed these last night. I got these at Target. So I have, actually I have boots in there. My like knee-high and thigh-high boots are in there, and then I have leggings. And then my workout long sleeve tops, which I might take those out and put like shorts in there since it's summertime now. And I just put my purses up here. because I just wanted to put those on display. And then all my like Louis Vuitton boxes are up there. I put my suitcases up there. I have another suitcase inside that one. And yeah, so I am happy with my closet. I do need to buy more hangers. Yeah, I ordered more of these hangers. I got them from Amazon, and it came with a pack of 15, but I need more. So I ordered some more. They're gonna come tomorrow. And then I need to go to like Home Goods and buy more of these black felt hangers. Hi guys, I have been terrible at vlogging this day. I feel like when I'm just so busy like trying to put stuff together, I just don't even think about filming everything, but I know that you guys wanted to see me put stuff together. So I am gonna film something like that right now. But actually, Anto and his dad and our friend came over and they put together my TV stand. I am so happy with it. This is the one I got from IKEA, the Bias, B-Y-A-S. If that's how you pronounce it, probably not, but that's the TV stand. They also mounted my TV, so I'm just loving how this looks. I have these two paintings here. I was thinking about putting them up here on each side, but I don't know if that'll look good because it's not really like proportioned. I don't know. Anyway, so I don't have my receiver yet. I don't have my Wi-Fi set up yet. This is my Apple TV connected to my laptop, and I'm using my personal hotspot. And then this here I'm gonna do by myself. This is the mom dressing table. So this I will film, and you guys can see what a struggle this is gonna be for me. If I can even do it. I don't even know if I'm gonna finish it because I'm going to dinner with my parents in like an hour. I don't think I can finish this in an hour, but we're gonna attempt to do it. So enjoy this attempt. So here it is. Yes, it is beautiful. It is a lot more narrow than I thought it would be, which I actually really love, because I need to put my bed here, so I'm like kind of afraid my bed won't like fit. So I went ahead and put my little like drawers, or my little, what are these things? These little separators in already. So yes, I'm very happy with it. So I'm gonna do a vanity tour probably in the next couple weeks. I got a new vanity mirror, which is that right there. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like with the vanity. So I'm gonna do like a little vanity tour, and then makeup collection and all that good stuff. So yes, we got it, we're good, I'm happy. Okay guys, so that's all that I am gonna do for today. I'm gonna call it a night. It's about 9:30 at night. I am honestly so tired. I haven't been this sore since I went to cheer camp like 10 years ago. My butt is sore, my legs are sore, my back is sore, like everything is so sore. So I'm gonna like just call it a night for now, and I'm probably gonna edit a few videos and just, I'm gonna go back to my parents' house again because no bed. I have no bed. I just have mattresses. I could lay on the mattress, but I don't wanna do that. I just want to wait till my bed frame gets here so I can like put bed sheets on it and like put my comforter and make it all nice and comfy and like legit. I'm just OCD that way. And I'm gonna come back here in the morning and probably organize all of my makeup in there and set my whole thing up there. Yeah, still a lot of work to do, but I'm really excited to organize all my makeup and set that up. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this moving vlog. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these. Thumbs up if you are, and I'll see you all in my next video.